A slow moving drain. Typically what I bring is a pail and a couple channel locks. Usually I'll peer down the drain and see what's going on. Right there at the inlet looks clear for all these little holes, but I'm assuming there's a lot of bile slime growth down there. I'll go ahead, undo the nuts here, remove the P-trap, put the flashlight in again, and maybe clean it out with a screwdriver. And hopefully that's it. Most of the time it is, unless it's in the wall as a restriction. Let's find out. Let's see if it just drops in the bucket. No mung, no solids. Looks like we're partially restricted there. You can see the bile slime growth here. Let's see. The camera will pick that up. I'm imagining that is full. All right, so this pipe, one of those decorative type, not your standard cabinet. This is the drain, does a 90 this way. So I am gonna go make sure this is clear before I move on. A little light on the subject, maybe. Back to here. Yeah. Well, that will slow the flow, won't it? I'm going to run the water. Let the bucket touch the water before I continue or close it up again. There should be some improvement. Still slow. All right, let's get a little more aggressive. As you can see, you can't really go through the top without taking it all apart. If I have to, I will, but if I don't have to, I won't. I'm gonna get something that will bend into here. All right, let's try and pop it the sink. grime out of there. Not much. One more time. Let's see, that's all the way in. A little pressure and some turning. See if we get any muck off the side of the walls. No? Okay, let's go in here. I'm sure there's muck in there. A little bit further. Hand crank. Crank it on the way back. That's pretty good enough. Much better. Just throw these pipes back on. All right. Make sure that's clear now. It is. It is clear now. So hopefully these gaskets are still good. I'm gonna find out. Check for leaks. I'll snug these down. I'll dry off the pipes. This is just your little typical slow drain service. I never use chemicals unless it's absolutely the last alternative. And in that case, I got some good stuff. It's called Mule Kick. It's sulfuric acid, supposedly a odor neutralizer. They all stink. Get that snug. Get that snug. I'm gonna turn on the water. And watch it drain a little bit. Nope, too slow. All right, next steps. All right, let's pull this off and take a look at it. is loose. Do it with my hand. Everything's in my way, of course. That's how plumbing is, stay tight. Alright, nice and loose. It's off. Let's pull this out. It's relatively clear. That looks relatively clear too. Yep. Oh, I'll send the snake down there, down the wall. Hope we get it. Wasn't I just saying, as long as it's not down the wall, it's a quick fix? Alright, it's hitting something there. I'm thinking just a corner. Return. Let's get it twisting and get past that corner. Alright. I think I went past it. Okay. Go a little bit further. Not a whole much of anything. I went in about 3 feet. I'm gonna try a little plunger action before I get more aggressive with the snakes. Alright, let me put this back together. Run some water. I'll have to go downstairs, get my plunger, and come back. Unless a miracle happened, which I doubt it. We'll run the water. Got the hot and cold running. Doesn't seem to be rising too fast. Alright, we'll get the plunger. Alright, train. Just got a 12 plunger, it should work. Got a overflow here. Ooh, that's a stiff one. Black coat just came out. Just shove a wet hand paper towel in the overflow. Oh, yeah, pack it in there. Okay. I think it's already better. You guys just should jump out of there. I'm not really sure. Lots of flowing, I don't care. Hey, what do you guys think? Nasty, right? It's draining much quicker. Got it. Just gotta clean up. Well, it took a few different methods, but we got it before we went crazy. Calling a plumber and getting big routing equipment. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit of whirlpool. Look at it go. So that is it. Hey, if you made it this far, go ahead and give me a like. It's an easy thing for you, but it goes a long way for me. Thank you. You always want to check for leaks before you leave. No leaks. So this was just bio slime growth. Clogging up the pipes. I appreciate you watching. If you want to see more plumbing videos, check out up here. Have a good day.